Ocean region.
Maglalaba ka ba?
The economic security of
Maglalaba ka?
Ayun, dapat hindi tinatago mo.
Sa may ilaw nga, Bana.
and in the East China Sea.
Ano gagawin sa
The
tapos?
stability
Sabi mo, kasi nakita ko doon sa may gilid.
Oo.
Ayaw mo maglaba?
of geographic
Ano
proximity
gagawin sa tapos?
and the presence
Kakainin ko na lang.
Ay, kutsara, bigyan ko kutsara.
Yes, ama. Kutsara.
These the Filipino people have a long history of fraternal bonds with the people of both
Amin ay 50. Doon ka nga, Bana.
and stability must prevail. Therefore, we continue to urge all parties to exert
Marami. Amin na. Ayaw mo maglaba.
peace in the Korean
Lalaban ko na lang lalamunan ko.
is a collective responsibility
Huh?
of the entire community.
Hindi ako naman tubig.
International obligation under relevant UN Security Council resolution and commit to the effective and peaceful with the Republic. Finally, maritime differences in the East China Sea and the South China Sea must be anchored on international law, particularly
President,
the important regard to the legitimate interests of all parties and respect legally settled rights. We cannot afford any other future for the South China Sea other than the one envisioned by ASEAN, of the
Alam mo?
peace, stability,
Sarap.
and prosperity. Unfortunately, this vision remains
Lasang ano? Lasang gatas. Inom ka neto? Kain ka? Sige. Kutsarain ko. Nga ka. Baka hindi ka nga mga. Ayaw mo? Bubuhos ko na lang. Ano na, matanda na.